All right, everybody, this is the Isabel level, otherwise known as level number 24 from the Venus CTF labs from HackMyVM.eu. And let's get into the level. So the first thing we need to do one of these levels is to read the mission.txt file. So this is mission number 24. It says the password of the user Freya is the only string that is not repeated in different.txt. So this level is going to highlight the unique binary from Linux. It basically lets us know what lines are not repeated inside of a file. So for example, in this level, there's this different.txt file here. So if we were to just read this file, we would see that there's a bunch of potential passwords inside the file. And what we need to do is we need to find which line inside this file has not been repeated. So there's a very easy way to do this, and it's just by using the unique command. So it's unique, and then different.txt. So unique you, you know what? What does unique you do? Unique -- help. Okay, so U is unique. So it says only print the unique lines. All right, so I guess this is the argument that lets us only return the unique lines. So let's do that. So unique -u different.txt. And this is the only line that is not repeated inside the file. So this is the password for the next level. And the next level is the Freya user. So here you go. So this is these are the credentials for the next level. Okay, so let's write our little after action report and then finish the level. So over here, this is the Isabel level. Here we go. Okay, so the target user in this level is the Freya user, and the method of solve for this level is to return the only unique line in a certain file. And the key command for this level was this one right here. So I find that the difficulty of the levels in this particular lab, the Venus CTF lab, they can vary kind of wildly from challenge to challenge. But the later ones are usually pretty difficult. But let's finish out this level. All right, so this was the Isabel level, otherwise known as level number 24, from the Venus CTF labs from HackMyVM.eu. If you enjoyed this guided walkthrough, please click on the like and subscribe buttons on the video and leave a comment below the video. But until next time, HackerFrogs out.
Hey there, HackerFrogs! Are you enjoying this workshop? Learning new concepts and skills? If so, there's a way you can support the channel, and it's totally free. Just click on the subscribe button below the video. Also, click on the like button. And if you have questions or comments on this workshop, please leave them below the video. Thanks for listening. And now, back to our scheduled programming.